Each year, over 1,000 assessments are completed by Rapid7 penetration testers. The following is a pen tester's account of an actual engagement. The names of the penetration tester and the company involved have been removed to protect the innocent.
Hi, my name is and I am a penetration tester for Rapid7. Every now and then we might get an opportunity to test a high security target. And when that happens, I like to jump on that because it gives me a chance to test myself against a real secure target. So when we had the opportunity to test a police department, I jumped at that chance. But a high security target requires lots of reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. In this case, our intelligence gathering let us know that this particular police department was in the process of building a new location that they were going to move to, which played into our pretext. And our reconnaissance of the location taught us that there was a public court area that would be a more easy entry point. So we set up a pretext of being an IT consulting firm hired by the city to perform an audit of all IT assets in the police department in preparation for the move to the new building. We started our initial entry as we expected going into the courtroom area, but court was not in session. So we went to the court clerk's desk and got the receptionist there to let us into the courtroom. She didn't question our pretext at all, just brought her keys around, unlocked the doors, and let us in. And we spent some time there. When we finished that, we went back to her and asked if she could get us into the police department because we needed to audit them as well. So she did, and following procedure, she found an escort for us. And we spent the next 45 minutes with that escort walking us around the building, showing us where all the areas were, including all the secure areas we really wanted to get to. And after about 45 minutes of that, he asked, well, how long are you guys going to be here? I got work to do. And we told him, well, we're going to be here all day. We got to inventory all this stuff. And he decided to let us go on our own and do our thing and went back to his office. So we went to all the secure areas we wanted to see. Eventually, we got our hands on a set of keys to a patrol car, went out into the motor pool area, got access to that car and showed that we could have driven away with it. And we were approached many times by officers, and they'd question us. We'd give them the pretext, and they wouldn't question the pretext, and they'd let us go. And we spent the whole day there before anybody finally came and actually stopped us from doing anything. So it was a great day. We had a good time and an opportunity to test ourselves against a good high security target. And that's how I almost stole a police car.